Hello YouTube lovers, so this is a 2019 V-Strom 650 standard exhaust sound check. Hello YouTube lovers, so here we go, that's the Black Widow system installed, as you'll see from the last video. So this one is just a static review on the sound, so we'll just give it a quick turn over and you'll see what she's all about. So this is the Black Widow system with the baffle removed. And now we'll just pop the baffle back in and you'll get a decent sound clip of that. Okay, so baffle reinstalled. Sounds pretty good with the baffle in, to be honest. Fair bit deeper tone with the baffle removed, obviously. And there you go, Black Widow system on the V-Strom 2019 model 650. Thanks for watching.